Satisfaction right there. Ready? Big.
Look, Eli, look. Look. Carrot.
Oh. Your hands, Bobby. Good job. He's so...
Here.
Your donkey.
Drive.
Hello, cow.
That big eye.
They eat fruit. Oh, don't let his little finger. It's a baby cow. It's a baby. Me cow and a baby cow. Haven, Sabby.
10, it's so cool.
10 out. Oink, oink.
Hang on.
Hello.
Oi. He moved.
Mook. Do you think they're cool?
Where are the cows?
Hi. What did they do? Go get you, darling.
Let's go.
Do you need a cuddle?
Pretend we're on a horse?
Hey, Sebby. Donkey.
More.
More donkey. Hello. They're nice ones. These are...
Remember that? Wait, hold on. One. No, it's the third one. Hey!
Feed some donkeys. Go, baby!
There's a pool for like the rest of the day. Today, they don't get the... Oh no!
Cod.
Send me out of the way.
Here's Uncle Tom. We got some visitors.